In this video, you'll learn how to make an object spin using rotation keyframes in After Effects. We'll keep it simple and clear, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to create a smooth spinning animation you can reuse in any project. First, make sure you already have a composition open and an object in your timeline like a logo, shape, or image. The very first thing you need to do is select the layer you want to spin. This is important because any changes you make will only apply to the layer that's highlighted. So in your timeline panel, click on the layer that contains the object you want to rotate. You should see it become highlighted, which confirms that it's active. With your layer selected, you're ready to open its rotation controls. On your keyboard, press the R key. This is a shortcut that reveals the rotation property for that specific layer. You'll see a rotation option appear in the layer's properties, along with a value that likely starts at 0. This value controls how many times your object spins and at what angle. To animate the rotation, you need to enable keyframing. Look for the small stopwatch icon next to the rotation property. Click that stopwatch once. As soon as you do, After Effects creates your first keyframe at the current time on the timeline. This keyframe tells the program, at this point in time, the rotation should be set to this value. Right now, that value is probably 0, meaning no rotation at the start. Next, you'll set up the second keyframe to define how much the object should spin over time. To do this, you need to move the playhead forward in the timeline. The playhead is the vertical line that shows your current position in time. Click and drag it to the right, or use the time indicator at the top of the timeline to jump forward. You can choose any duration you want, such as 1 second or 2 seconds, depending on how fast or slow you want the spin to feel. The farther you move the playhead, the longer the spin will take. With the playhead now at a later point in the timeline, go back to the rotation property. You're going to change the rotation value to create a new keyframe automatically. For a full spin, you can set the value to 1x. That means the object will rotate 1 full revolution between the first and second keyframe. If you want more spins, you can increase that number like 2x or 3x for double or triple rotations. You'll notice that as soon as you change the value, After Effects adds a second keyframe at the new time, storing the new rotation amount. At this point, you have a complete spinning animation. The object starts at 0 rotation on the first keyframe and reaches 1 full spin, or whatever value you chose, by the second keyframe. To see how it looks, you'll want to preview the animation. Move your playhead back to the start of the timeline so you can watch it from the beginning. Then press the spacebar on your keyboard. After Effects will play back your composition, and you should see your object smoothly spinning between the 2 keyframes. If the spin feels too fast or too slow, simply stop the preview, drag the second keyframe closer or farther away in the timeline, and preview again. The closer the keyframes, the faster the spin. The farther apart, the slower and smoother it will be. That's all you need to create a basic spin animation. Select your layer, reveal rotation, set your keyframes, adjust the rotation value, and preview until it feels right.